Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Southern Coastal Highway and the subcontractors. Now recently it was in the news that the local subcontractors, that's the Jamaicans that are working on the project, are not doing their part basically, and China Harbor Engineering Company, who is the main contractor, was looking about taking over the entire project. Okay, so let's look at the project. And it was reported, and then now the subcontractors have come out and given their reasons why the project is moving so slow, and they are blaming China Harbor for the way things are moving. Alright, so what is the Southern Coastal Highway? They're building a highway from Harborview to Portland, and that highway is known as the Southern Coastal Highway. Some people call it the Portland Highway because it runs through Portland, and some people call it the St. Thomas Highway because it runs through St. Thomas. But it's going to take you from Harborview, which is in St. Andrew, all the way to Portland. A part of the road is finished, and you can search a channel to look for to take a look at the finished section. Very nice highway. It's similar to the north-south highway that takes you to Ocho Rios. It's 4 lanes, dual carriageway, very nicely done. Now the highway is being built in phases. You probably have 3 phases. Now there is one phase where the China Harbor Engineering Company is the main contractor, but they have some subcontracted out certain parts of the road to local contractors. And it came out in the news recently that those local contractors are not doing their part. Basically, the project is being delayed. There is a lot of a portion of the road that was dug up was left in a state that is terrible, and China Harbor was saying it's the fault of the local contractors. Now the local contractors are saying it's not their fault. So there's a lot of tension between the local subcontractors and China Harbor Engineering Company. So the Prime Minister of Jamaica had a meeting with the local subcontractors to find out what's going on. And now this project is being done through, in partnership with the government and the China Harbor and the China Exim Bank. So the NWA, National Works Agency in the Ministry of Economic Growth, they are responsible for managing this project for the Jamaican government. So the NWA had a meeting with the Prime Minister and with the local subcontractors. Now this highway, it's 140 kilometers long, and the highway is going to cost 59 billion Jamaican dollars. That's a lot of money. Okay? Now they say they have 10 local subcontractors, and all were at the meeting. So the local subcontractors, now the Jamaican contractors, are saying the reason why the project is taking so low is because they have to wait on approvals by the NWA consultant, and the consultants are taking so long to give them the approvals, so that is why the project is delaying. And another thing is, this is what the contractors are saying now, is you have to buy the person's land for the highway. You can't just build it on the people's land. You have to buy the land from the people. And there is a slow pace of land acquisition. And then they are saying that China Harbor is taking a long time to pay them for the extended contractual period. And then the local subcontractors are saying that the current contract places them at a significant disadvantage when compared to China Harbor Engineering Company. So the Prime Minister met with them, and the Prime Minister says he's going to review everything and all the information and make a decision going forward as to what's going to happen. And the Prime Minister is also going to consult with the China Harbour Engineering and the consultants on the project, and then he'll make his position known after the consultations with everybody. So I guess there are two sides to every story. So basically, at the beginning, everybody was blaming the local subcontractors, saying, but I guess when there was a road being built in Junction, it's a highway, massive road project, and it's being done by a local company, local contractor, and that road has been delayed for years. I don't think it's even finished. That's the road in Junction St. Mary, and delay after delay after delay. So most persons, after seeing what happened there, said, you know what, China Harbour worked so much faster, so much better, so much more on budget. But I guess there are two sides. So a lot of persons were like, based on that, local subcontractors or the local contractors, when it came out to building roads, got a bad rep, basically, you could say, because to this day I don't think that road is finished, and China Harbour has finished so many other roads during that time period. But nonetheless, China Harbour is the go-to contractor. They are a Chinese company. They've built quite a few roads in Jamaica. They've built the double overpass. I think they built Mandela Highway, and they built part of Highway 2000. So, but it's good to know that that the local contractors made their point clear, because a lot of persons were just saying, okay, guess what? That's just how that's just how the Jamaicans work. So what to do? But as you said, there are two sides to every story, and it's very good that the Prime Minister, he actually issued a directive to the Minister responsible for works, Everald Warmington, to arrange a meeting with the contractors. And also he did that because the contractors wrote a letter to the Prime Minister about the matters affecting the program on the Southern Coastal Highway. So it's good that everybody had a meeting and everybody made their position clear. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.